World-famous makeup guru Bobbi Brown used to say, knowing what you can do at any given time to look and feel better is pretty powerful. To achieve this without ruining your finished makeup behind the face mask, nor the inside of it, here are my new Beauty Routines Face Mask Edition. Before we dive into the tutorial, there are some skipped steps, and I'd like to tell you why. First, of course, foundation stance. Bye-bye. Concealer same. Adios. Blush, for the sake of clean masks. Sayonara, I don't want any brown marks on the inside. Some suggest translucent powder to set the look, but I feel like skin needs more luxury to breathe underneath the mask to avoid possible clogged pores or breakouts. Eyeshadow can be melted sometimes for people like me who live in a humid country, as well as steamed by the exhales out of the upper edge of masks, so. Eyeliner is one of the top 3 eye makeup essentials, but it's not the champion in this case. No smudges, no touch-ups. Neither creamy, satin, glossy, nor matte finishes. 再见, ordinary lipsticks! Let's get started. Acne scars. Choosing a green color correcting stick to replace your normal concealer, it will balance out the color of blemishes. Here I'm using another mint color primer with my reliable fingers to reduce redness furthermore. What about those discolorations? After several tests, the pinkish CC cream creates vibrant skin look. And these two guys also complete the nudish base of my face for moisturized or blurred effects. All of them are with SPF, which is important for everyone. You can click to see the items' infos down below. Strong and natural brows are my goal. There are 2 products have done this job fantastically. One of them is this gel, which only sells from online infomercials, contains fibers with a brush applicator. This came from the time back when I was crazy looking for quick, easy, smudge-proof makeup since I've become a mom of 2. Brush them out before it dries. Voila! If you are a freshman in Browland, I recommend this amazing duo for its triangle-shaped tip and tinted gel combined together. Curled up lashes. Throw on some Q10 Lip Gel. At times, I feel comfortable already. How do I prolong the lifetime of face masks? Place a tissue in it so it won't be spittled. Also see? So far there's no stains at all. For the next use, just replace a tissue. Our planet will be eternally grateful for you. To accentuate the eyes, water-resistant and smudge-proof mascara will be my queen. Thanks to this challenge, I'm embracing my flaws while acknowledging my features here. After all, beauty isn't about looking perfect. It's about celebrating your individuality, right? Carefully clean the excess with a Q-tip. Are you worried about transferring lip colors onto the mask too? Here comes the savior. These gorgeous shades from KIKO both build beautiful results by itself. However, I figured that ombre lips are more youthful and natural to brighten up a face and a day. Gloss, on the other hand, provides longer wear and moist. Do you believe that's smudge-proof? Let's test it. Last but not least, the setting spray. It's a trend, so I believe you have it. Utilize it, and we're finished. Overall, I'll say, find a way to be able to be confident in your skin. With the right makeup, you can be pretty powerful. Meanwhile, let's make our planet healthier, shall we? And remember, a kind person is the definition of beauty. Give me thumbs ups and subscribe for more. Love ya!